to hide and unhide Instagram comments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to the post where you want to hide and unhide comment. Click on your comment. Here, to hide, you'll simply find hide option below the comment. As you can see beside reply and below comment, press on hide. Press on OK. And after you do this, when you go to the comment, it will be hidden, as you can see. And you can also turn on hide comments with specific words. You can simply find unhide option and unhide it in here in the same way. This is how to hide or unhide comments on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.